sunlight gently piercing through the leaves. Among the greenery, the cheerful chirping of birds fills the air, bright, melodic, and full of life. It's not just ordinary chirping. It's a joyful song, a true expression of happiness from their tiny hearts. As if they too are celebrating the morning, welcoming the day with pure delight. These birds aren't just making sounds. They're listening. They respond to one another, enjoying the harmony created in nature. Their voices are not only calls, but also replies. Sounds that love to listen, sounds that live within the rhythm of the wild. Their chirping becomes a natural symphony, teaching us the beauty of simple joy, to speak with sincerity and to listen with heart.